We have a bike pump, portable, compact, small in size, battery operated. As we open up the pump, show you what you get inside. From the company URTOPIA, as we open up, show you nicely they are packaged and everything that you get. You get an accessory kit and a USB-C charging cable, an instruction guide, and a small carrying bag. When first using the product, remember to peel off the film of the front. We have a on and off, a negative, a positive. The use of the unit and LED light that's on the bottom with the USB-C charging area, a vent area, lanyard strap area, and the valve operation, putting on the adapter or use directly to the unit. On the valve adapter, we have a little hand area to grab. We have two areas to pump. One is the inflator for different types of stems, the Italian stem, basketball volleyballs, and a spacer, rubber spacer adapter. Compact, the size of my hand, with the charging LED indicator of 4 lights, 25% per. The instruction guide goes over every single detail of the unit. This is to press the valve. Simply remove the top cover, the nut. Remove the rubber that's inside with the stem. Place in the rubber, close up, and lock down. It looks like so. To remove, opposite, take off, and grab out. Correctly put in the gasket. To put in the Schrader, simply place in and place on. The Schrader is on. To take out, simply in reverse order, and place back the original stem by pressing in and locking down. To place on the extension, take the whole mechanism off and place on and lock down. And now we're able to get into tight areas with the inflator. To turn the unit on, hit the on button by a long press. 44.5, increase. Light is a press, long press, and off. To start the pump, short press the on and off. To turn off, long press the unit. To change the different types of modes, the positive, negative together. We are changing to KPA and other things, cars, and so forth. And to change the KP to PSI, it's a press short. We are screwed on and we have a pressure of 31.5. We can deflate our tire. We're going to inflate our tire by long pressing and screwing on. With 7.0 psi for 45 pounds of pressure. The unit automatically shuts down. I remove the cap. Turn the unit on, and you're able to push and get 43.5, 45 pounds of pressure depending on what you have in the tire, and you're able to pump up short. We are at 45.5 pounds of pressure, and we're going to pump our tire up by pressing in. And we're able to pump our tire this way. With the unit turned off, holding the light button down, we have an emergency light and the battery comes on. And we have the light. Long press, light comes on for a short period of time to see what you're doing. I hope you enjoy the URTOPIA Emergency Bike Mini Pump. Compact, small, size in the hand, warm when pumping, fits in a nice carrying case tightly, and more. Don't forget the lanyard strap. It's nice and compact in size. Your bike pump that simply just tie, that sits into this area and locks in.